Okay, this is our personal bird scooter. It had this circuit board controlling all the components, which was hooked up to the Bird app. This top open, pulled this out, unplugged their circuit board, and these are all the wires that control the actual Bird scooter. And this is just the power cable. So then coming down here, we basically snipped all these wires, rewired it to our personal, which is now down in the bottom housing over here. It's all screwed up in there. And then over here is the battery. It's the same original battery that we rewired it to. Wires come on up, control our throttle here, and brakes are still working like normal brake lines. And then we have a bell.
So before we installed the circuit board into our own scooter here, we plugged it into our own computer so we could install our own firmware. We did this by just creating our own .bin file that allowed us to change many different variables, such as the speed cap, which we raised to 30 miles per hour. We were also able to disable the GPS tracking so we could use the scooter in residential areas.
Oh my God!